Tangshan is Tangshan New Construction Equipment Limited Company was put into production in 2021 as a key construction project of Hebei Province in 2022, which invested 4.5 billion yuan and occupied 927,000 square meters. The factory started to establishment in November 2020, and the first stage put into production in August 2021, and the second stage was put into production in July 2022. As the largest self-deep processing interest in Tangshan, it will be available to consume 5 million tons of local steel and create 6,000 new jobs after completion.
The capacity production of scaffoldings is 2 million tons, ring-log scaffolding, square and round tubes 3 million tons per year after establishment. It is also the largest steel pipe manufacturer of UFO Group and the same industry with the largest investment, the largest plant area and the largest annual sales volume.